An advertisement on it, and it ended my cute little adorable video. Well, that was kind of insulting. So everything needs a little bit of work. All the windows, you can see this very sketchy canopy up here. It's pretty weather damaged. But the cool thing is, we drove this home 5 hours, and that engine purred. So without a good engine and a good transmission, all you have is a tiny house sitting in your driveway. So, you want to see how gorgeous it is? Well, all right. Oh yeah, it's got all the original RV yuck in it. It is, I'm going to have some amazing before and after pictures because, folks, this is bad. And as bad as it looks right here, it smells that bad too. If you're a smoker, please stop. But it doesn't really matter because all this old carpet and all of this like that is going. The front chairs are actually not in bad shape. They need some recovering. All this old carpet's going to go away. This is a bump out, and this was me trying to figure out what these up-down blinds do. They are history. Yeah. At some point, I would think the people who make RVs would realize that everybody hates the wood. Everybody hates the trim. Everybody hates the RV couches. And everybody hates the little table. But, and everybody hates these horrible blinds. But anyway, this is what we've got. But lots of things do work. All the vents are ruined. That is a little bag holding down something. That has to be replaced. And it did have some water damage on the floor. But all of this is going to either be repainted or pulled out. Yeah, isn't this adorable? It's so nice. No, it's not nice. It actually has a little hallway back through here, and it has a fairly big bathroom. Again, it has all of the wonderful, yucky, ugly, hideous, has a shower, toilet, ugly sink. Oh, hi! Ugly light fixtures. I am in my grubbiest, trash clothes, so don't judge. For this project, it has to be. All of these vents and top things will all be removed and be replaced. So, then we have the bedroom. Oh, yes, you'll see me again. Hello! Yes, and that's exactly what everyone wants. A giant mirror over their bed because, well, no, that's bye-bye mirror. And yeah, this is me trying to figure out how the blinds work, and failing, which doesn't matter because they're all going bye-bye. All this carpet, all these little vents. This actually isn't in bad shape. It's a little divider, so when someone's in the bathroom, that you get a little privacy. It's like a little dressing room. And they're not expensive to replace, but I might even try fabric paint. I don't know. We'll see. I've been watching a lot of videos on this, and oh yeah, here you go. The one wonderful thing about this is that even though we have some issues up in here, the ceiling is in fairly good shape. As far as we know, we don't see any major leaks on the ceilings. All of the stuff you see at the top here, I don't even know what these are. I think they're vents. But they're all going to come down and get washed. All of these are going to be replaced by LED because they're not energy efficient. And oh yes, I don't know if anybody wants one of these lovely light fixtures, but it's available. Very cheap. And oh, here's another mirror because, yeah. And then there's a sliding mirror in here. So, oh my goodness. we'll never forget who we are. One nice thing is it has a pretty nice microwave oven. I think it's a microwave. Oh, it is. It is a microwave, and it's actually in pretty good shape. Has an air vent. Has an oven because, you know, I'm going to bake in here. Maybe in the winter. Has a nice stove. Now, the refrigerator, I told Phil to please be on the lookout for a new refrigerator. This is some grungy refrigerator. However, it gets very cold. But yeah, that one needs some serious TLC and paint and yeah. But and this lovely oak, isn't this lovely? Yes. No. I actually think I am going to cover this with magnetic paint so that I can stick things to it. I think that would be lovely to be able to use this as a little message board area. Everything in an RV has to have multi-purposes. No space can just do one thing. Like, oh, this is just a little pretty space up here. Oh, we have these lovely little, yeah, we have a lot of this stuff happening. You know, the funny thing is this was built in 2000 and I am 60 years old. And apparently somebody decided that people my age love this look. And that is, no. It has curtains to go around. As you can see, they are in horrible shape, but they will serve as a lovely, lovely diagram for me to do new curtains. So we can see how that one works. And they actually weren't horrible. I think at one time they might have been sort of a cream. Now they are sort of smoker's yellow. And road grunge. Yes, that's the color. Smoker yellow, road grunge. These tilt around. Oh, and this lovely thing, I think it's a bed kind of deal, couch. It pulls out. Maybe it used to pull out, but it doesn't. It doesn't matter. This is history right here. You see this right here? It is gone. So this is a bump out. It's not extended right now, but that actually pushes out. And we are going to get a dual, wait for it, lazy boy recliners right here. Because we are old and we have really old crickety knees and we like to put our feet up. So that's all going to be gone. All this nice flooring, everything is going to be gone. One of the things that I, as an OCD cleaner, that is just making me crazy, and I've been researching how to do it, but all of the windows have these like grungy, I don't know, this is not good. They all look like, sorry, my camera work. They all kind of look like this. I hope that's focusing. I can't see it. But, oh, this is just making me crazy. Got some cubbies, all kinds of little, yeah. So it's going to be a lot of fun to rethink some of these. I have seen some really cute redoings, and I know it's very millennial, is the gray and white. And I really like the gray and white. I think how I want to go with this is very, very simple. Simple, with little spots of color. Simple. Going for simple. No, you know, no curtains with little ducks wearing hats or anything like that. That's not going to be there. But thanks to IKEA, I can get a lot of things pretty cheap. So a lot of people pull these out completely and put like a table and chair in here. I am actually not unhappy with this. So for right now, depending on what kind of damage we've got down in here, and it looks kind of serious, but that's the water damage from the vent up above it. Yeah. So, and there's a seat belt there. So like if I have a grandchild or something like that that's here, they can actually be seated in there. So that's kind of an advantage right there. Say Michaela and the new little rugrat wants to go up in the mountains with us. we'd have to have someone to strap them down. This thing over here is a chair, and it has a seat belt. It's actually bolted to the ground, but it is stinky little chair. Bye-bye. Yeah. Ugh. But we might be able to use that seat belt and install it over here. You know, we just have to go with it. Go with it. We just have to take one little project at a time and go with it. Today's project is reinstalling the broken vents. It kind of looks like the top of the trailer was like wiped off with maybe a branch or something, and everything up at the top just kind of got, you know. And so our goal is to fix those things. Also, we haven't quite conquered the electricity because we don't have the right plug-ins. And so, and it's summer and it's very, very hot. So we can only do so much in here until the air conditioner's turned on. But yeah, all of the things on the top, sealing it, that's our goal for the day, is to get things, either order what we need as far as all these vents. These vents all have to be reordered. Like I said, I'm going to do all these lights. Everything on the top of the trailer is what we're going to work on today, and it may take more than one day. This is Monday, and Phil took the day off. He's going to have to take a lot of days off. But on the good side, here we go, folks. This is our retirement plan. My husband thinks that we're going to go to little carnivals and sell mini donuts. Okay. We won't. Yeah, that's not an argument for today. But the good thing is, engine's good, transmission's good, tires are good. We bought some new tires. There's a lot of good, believe it or not. As long as you don't have smell-o-vision, because it really does smell bad in here. But yeah, this is going to be a project. This is a project. Yay! So stay tuned. I'm going to try to make little videos, and I'm hoping that my daughter Jessica will help me a little bit in blogging this. I find that the videos I watch online of other people doing the exact same thing are hugely helpful, because it is daunting, because you go, oh, and then I got to fix this, and then oh, there's this thing, it doesn't work right now for some reason, and we don't know why. Yeah, it's daunting. It's a house, folks. You realize this is a house, and it's not going to get done in a day. It might not get done in a month. I'm thinking a year and a half, because we're old. We can't do things like young people can do it. And also, they're expensive. If I had $6,000 right now, I could make this place look so fabulous. I could get everything. I could get this and that and the other thing. We don't have that. The good part, remember, there's always good and bad, is we bought this whole big rig, get this, for $3,400. I know. So that's huge. But we also don't have $6,000, $5,000 to just throw into all these different systems. We have to take it slowly. We have to budget. We have to think, well, what can we do that on the cheap? And that's okay, because that makes it exciting, and it makes it more personalized when it's all done. Yeah. So I can sew, I can do carpentry. I've never done some of this, but everywhere you go, there are videos on how to do this stuff. And I'm going to try my very best to bring them to you. So until the next one, this is Andrea Kay saying goodbye from my Before RV.